guys, I'm Marc Acton. This is Mama. Mama, you say hi? What are we gonna make today? We're gonna make a salted caramel pecan sour. That's right, a salted caramel pecan sour. So the first thing you wanna do, barbecue, smoker, whatever you got, cast iron skillet, add your chopped pecans. Spread those out. Hi, Mama. Let them just chill for like a minute or two. While you're waiting for the pecans to roast, hang out with your best bud. Who's a good dog? Who's a good dog? You's a good dog. You's a good dog. Okay, now you don't have to do this on the barbecue. You can totally do this inside. I just like being outside, especially on a beautiful day like this. After you've toasted the pecans for a few minutes, you add some water and some sugar. Ooh, hot. There we go. Mix it up and turn your heat off. And this is gonna make a nice pecan syrup. Okay, this smells incredible. Like I just wanna take a look. It's like pecan sweetness. All right, so what you wanna do, pour it, dang, that's so good. Pour it through a strainer into your anything, whatever you want. And that is your pecan syrup. Okay, so here is your pecan syrup. Doesn't that look delicious? Now you're gonna wanna strain it again into your shaker, okay? Now, a little bit of salt, oh yeah. And this is 6 shots of Tahoe Blue Vodka. Into the shaker it goes. Okay, thinking, wow, that's a lot of shots. This is for 5 or 6 cocktails. The aromatics are so good. Okay, a little bit of chocolate. This is just like chocolate chunks that I cut up a little bit, just a little bit. Now, 3 egg whites. You're gonna wanna do a dry shake with this. That means no ice, okay? You will add the ice after you dry shake because you really wanna break up the proteins in the egg. So shake it good for like a minute. Remember, other arm, because you want to work out this bicep as well. Okay, and shake again with a little bit of ice. And you're good to go. Okay, don't pop on me. Beautiful. Okay, here we go. Into your martini glass. Look at that color. And it smells fantastic. Okay. Now you want to let the egg separate and go to the top and make a cool looking foam. Then you top off with a little bit of nutmeg. If you're fancy, you actually have a nutmeg and you just grind it on top. I don't. I have this old little nutmeg shaker spice thing. There you go. This is your salted pecan caramel sour. And if you want to buy Tahoe Blue Vodka, do so at Safeway, Raley's, Bevmo, Total Wine & More, or better yet, just have it delivered right to you at TahoeBlueVodka.com. And I'm Marc Acton. Look at that guy. Cheers.